Well, first we got to say what happened. This is a soon-to-be unstolen catalytic converter because some evil individual came and sawed my catalytic converter off the left side. Is there still one on the right side? I think there is. I think they left that. I'm going to go get the new one and compare it because it's not a Ford catalytic converter. It's an aftermarket one that's supposed to be an exact fit. Sensor, I assume. Let's hope they didn't cut that off.
It's a bung.
A bung. And watch your bung. This is why they steal it. There's two of them. 2 in 1. Ford vans have one of the high rates of stolen converters for some reason. Ford vans, Ford pickups, Priuses, what is it? It goes up there. This, oh no, this is the end, but it's a vent. We gotta have a catalytic converter straightener. This is because I don't trust brakes, parking poles, anything. Because I've been run over before while I'm under a car. Not fun. D-Day. They left the sensor on this end too. Because I'll start here. And maybe you can hand me tools. I'm going to need what I think is like some spray, WD or something. And I think it's a 9/16. I got the vise in the kitchen on the table. Isn't that a nice frame under there?
That's a beautiful frame. I'll trade you. Do you want to get the victory?
You'll get the.
I get the
victory.
The win on this one.
Did you get the win on all of them? I'm kind of struggling.
There she is.
Wow, and you used my stubborn cap pliers. Beautiful. You stand on the vise or something. Talk about the wrong tool. We have this thing to expand.
Yeah. Still no luck. Oh, big crease there.
I do not see it. Oh, that. Me to hold the wrench like I did it.
No, I just want you to tell them that we finished.
We finished. You want to here? Hand me the thing, and I'll show it where it's finished.
Okay.
I will show you where it's finished. Come in here like this, and you can see the new catalytic converter, the pipe, not the converter, and the whatever that sensor, the oxygen sensor. Everything's tightened up. Everything fit nicely. That end had a bend in it. I took a ball peen hammer and straightened it out, and it slid right in there nicely. So Kim did a great job.
All right.
All right, like start it.
Go for it.
No more motorboat sounds. No more blah, 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 blah. It sounds normal. Kim, it sounds normal.
That's what it's supposed to do.
You know the next thing to do? Is take this thing to Uncle Tony's, UTG, and drop off the slant 6 for the Valiant. Oh, this is wonderful. It doesn't feel like there's any money coming out. Oh, because this didn't accept it. Good play a slot.
Woo!
That's it. Told you it's the color change.
All right, ready to put it back on the road. What are you doing now?
Sanding the headlights before I clear coat them because they're so nasty. It's a fast way to do this without having to polish them. So you can see, but these are really, it's been almost 10 years since I did it.
What grit of paper are you using?
400. Probably should be using 6, but I'm in a hurry because we are having our last warm day. And if I try to do this in 40-degree weather, it's not going to work. Then I got to remove the headlights and take them indoors. I want to avoid that.
What's in the spray bottle?
I hope it's water. So I think it's just water. I hope. I don't know what it is. It's in the kitchen. Do you know what it was?
No.
I think it's a spray bottle I put water in.
It smells like vinegar.
Huh?
Were you spraying vinegar?
Vinegar?
It smells like vinegar. I thought I smelled vinegar when I came outside.
People that polish headlights will cringe.
So what do you think about the van now? We got a new catalytic converter on there.
I love this van now. It was such a sad van. Just, you know, vehicles don't like to sit still, and this thing sat still for 3 years. I drove it once in 3 years. I drove it down to Tony's, which is...
To get that motor that we have to take back to Tony's.
Yeah, right. I picked up the slant 6 that I got to take back down there now.
I'm gonna go show him the slant 6. All right, here's our slant 6. That's gonna go in the Valiant as far as we know. She came from Tony's old shop and she has been stored in the van. There's a little bit of rust at the top of that piston. I don't know. She's supposed to be a runner. And there's the cylinder head. It's the old style cylinder head. This doesn't look that old of a motor. It's got the... Anybody know from the numbers what year that is? It's got the 5 freeze plugs. That's a newer motor, isn't it? The chain's nice and snug. It looks like must be a newer chain. It's not a plastic one. We'll make it run, or we'll get a different one. But the van turned out good. It cleaned up good. It doesn't look great, but it looks cleaner. It was worth the $8 to go to the car wash. Feel good about that. And now you want to be able to see when you're driving at night.
Then I want people to see me. If they're looking where they're going, they'll see me. If they're not, then I gotta avoid it.
Shh, it's a tow vehicle. This is our tow vehicle.
Oh, tow vehicle. This is a tow vehicle.
Yeah.
That's a tow dolly.
Our tow dolly. It's got little wheels, but it's got surge brakes. It's pretty new. Comes with ramps and everything. So, I guess that's missing the good part, apparently. Didn't know. There's tape involved.
This isn't the good part. Over there, where I already put clear on one of them, you see the difference between that one and this one.
Oh, okay, that's after it dried, huh?
Just after it dries, when you sand it, it looks like crap. And then I'm not doing a very good job here. It's good enough. It'll get the headlights good. Someday when I paint the van, I'll have some overspray to sand off, but I don't care. We need this thing to work. And okay, see how nasty that looks, all sanded and everything? Dust the coat on. Wait a minute, there's a spot I missed. Come over here, put the coat on here, because they don't look like new headlights. Because new headlights are clear and they got really cool stuff inside. These are still, they're composite headlights, but they got lenses like seal beams. Do you want the lens clear shot?
No, I don't need my lens any clearer.
Like that. Look at how they were before. They were nasty.
The whole van was nasty.
We had.
You know, we got to get you a different hat.
Why? Oh, to get away from the Air Force hat?
Well, no, because you're camouflage. We can't see you.
Oh, I'm camouflaged? Okay, one more over here. There.
She's looking good.
And then I'll pull the tape off in a bit, and I got plenty of clear left. And paint. Yeah, I used to buy spray paint. It seems to be like $5 or $6. $19.99 for clear Dupli-Color. Man. Well, that's that.